Hi everyone, my name is Colin and welcome to another video from West Cork Beard Company. Today we're going to be talking about a beard comb versus a beard brush and which one is right for your beard. So if you've been following the YouTube channel for a while, you know that I'm a big fan of the boar hair bristle beard brush. Now it's made from boar hair because the boar hair acts to evenly distribute the beard oil and the beard product around your beard. A beard brush is also great for short and medium beards, as you can really get into the skin underneath the beard and it exfoliates the beard and also cleans it as well. However, as the beard gets a little bit longer, the problem I have with the beard brush, and as I'm on my beard care journey myself and my beard is getting a little bit longer, is that when you come around to the chin area, what I've been finding is as I press in to I press the beard brush into my skin, I'm actually pushing my beard around my chin, and that kind of gives me a little bit of a dip in my beard here, which it's a little bit of a kink, and I'm not a fan of it, especially as my beard grows longer, because it's fine up to a point, then it goes into a kink, and then you have the bit down here then as well. So with the boar hair beard brush, fantastic, like I said, from really getting into the skin, but as your beard gets a little bit longer, as you push in, like you can see here, I'm pushing in, and the beard brush goes around my chin, and it can actually start putting a little bit of a dent in your beard as you go around. So that's where the beard comb comes in. Like I said, beard brush, short and medium beards, fantastic. But as like my beard is getting a little bit longer now due to all the lockdowns and no barbers being open, I'm letting it grow out a little bit. And here, as you can see, there's no skin or no face under this part of the beard. So as you try to brush it, what you're going to do is it's going to come in and you're really not pushing against anything once it goes past your chin. So beard comb, fantastic. To detangle, it also allows you to stop having that kink in the beard around the chin. So like with the beard brush, you start from the ears, move down towards the chin, and again out at the side of the mouth, kind of get that fullness in the beard as you come out from the side of the mouth. And then as you come from the mouth down, you don't push into the skin. You're just going to show it from the side. You're just going to go in there. And it really detangles all the hair. Feels good as well. And it allows you to have a nice straight beard rather than that kink. So my recommendation, beard brush, short and medium beard. But as it gets to a certain point, you really probably do need to invest in a beard comb if you want that nice straight look, and it'll also get the kind of wispiness and of course detangle. You can go straight down, and then I also like to come up from underneath. That really detangles underneath as well. And one other little thing that I like to do is I like to come down from the ear at a little angle underneath, so you're almost like swooping down underneath from the ears to the chin on both sides. That kind of gives that nice shape here to your beard. So that's the beard comb. I've been using it for the last couple of months. I did have a problem. I've spoken to a few other people that have longer beards, and they did have that problem with the beard brush. I didn't see it when my beard was short and medium length, but now that it's a longer length, the beard comb is the way to go. It's made from sandalwood. It's made from wood, so also the oils go into the beard comb, and they will help distribute the beard oil and beard product like beard butter and beard balm as well around your beard. So I hope this helps with the debate over beard comb versus beard brush. I was all about the beard brush at the start of my beard care journey, but now, like I said, as my beard gets a little bit longer, it's all about the beard comb. Hope that helps. If you like the channel, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.